Hello everyone. So today we'll be looking at the TG Innovations line follow robot kit. The kit includes these all things. This first we'll look at the bot itself. So the bot is pre-soldered with the SMD components such as the sensor and the male and female Burke pins and the protection circuit. The circuit also comprises of a 10K resistor which is used for the obstacle sensor, and the 1K resistor which is for the LED light, and the motors are also pre-installed with the caster. Most of the parts are 3D printed, such as the brackets, the caster, and other things which you'll further see. And the wheels of the motors are also 3D printed, and the tires are of pure silicon. These silicon wheels catch a dust lot faster than any other wheels, the generic Pololu wheels, but these results of these wheels are much better than those wheels. This is all. There's also a PCB included in the kit in case you break that. The good thing about this PCB is that the top layer is black in color and the back layer is blue in color. So yeah. So this is the battery used to power the bot. It is a 3.7 volt 300 mAh battery. A 360 mAh 2 cell 7.4 volt 30C battery is also included in the kit in case you require some extra juice. The difference between these two batteries are that the big one provides a better and a longer runtime. The smaller provides a standard and a lower runtime. This is the Arduino Nano. I guess you must be familiar with it. So the code is pre-installed and flashed in the Arduino Nano. The Arduino Nano uses a FPGA chip. This is the TB6612FNG motor driver. It uses a Toshiba microchip. This is the IR sensor. It is used to detect objects. The stud is glued to the bottom of the sensor so that it prevents the falling of the sensor. This is the OLED screen. These two are the resistors. The brown one is 1K resistor and the green one is the 10K resistor. This is a 0.1 UF capacitor included, extra stud, extra pair of nuts and bolts, a 7805 regulator, the LED, extra buzzer, on off switch in case you break this one, and a toggle switch. And also a bunch of jumper wires are included in case you need to move the screen and program it. You can use the jumper cables. A data cable is also included in the kit, so if you need to change the code, you can change it using the data cable. The code is also provided with the kit. This is the screwdriver. It is compatible with all of these screws. This is a extra pair of male and female Burke pins. Coming to the tool, there's a tool tray, safety goggles, a wheel cleaner. As I said, the wheels catch a lot of dust, so you just need to open this tape like this and then just run the wheels over here. The wheel is made of silicone, so it doesn't stick to the tape. The dust sticks to it. So I'll now show you a quick assembly of this board. In the assembly, you might require a a soldering, a soldering iron, a glue gun, some wire clippers. This is very important. It also acts as a noose plier for us. It is used to cut off the wires and everything. And a nail file. Make sure you use a nail file, because if you use big metal files, it may damage the board. Now we'll start a quick assembly of it. We'll keep all the small assembly components, the extra components, in the tool tray. We don't require this battery right now, so we'll keep it aside. Make sure you wear the safety goggles. First, we'll connect the object sensor. It snaps into its place, just like that. Now I guess you know the use of the stud. Then we'll place the nano. There are markings made on the board, on the PCB, so that you don't place it the otherwise, so it may damage the board if you do so. So make sure you align the markings with the white legends on the PCB. So this is the port. This legend indicates the port, so this port will align with the legend. It snaps into its place, just like that. And then we'll place the motor driver. Make sure you align with this. Snap the OLED screen. Now we'll connect these wires of the motors. We don't require it now, as I don't need the screen to be flexible, so we don't require it now. Now, before doing anything, you must tighten all the screws of the casters and the sensor. So I'll do that. As I said, it helps it acts like a noose plier. So done. We'll just give it a slight twist. Yeah, so it's done. Now we can place this battery and you can run. I'll separately make a video of the software and the running of this bot. So this was for the hardware. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.